Hi everyone. Let's see how you can link your WhatsApp business to your Facebook page and your Instagram account. First, we'll go to WhatsApp business app. You have to go to tools, scroll, and directly you'll find this option of reach more customers and the second option add WhatsApp to your accounts. Click on Facebook and Instagram. We want that anybody who is on our Instagram account or Facebook page can directly WhatsApp us from there. For that, you'll have to link both these accounts here. Now, if you see here, I have linked two accounts, which is one is Instagram and one is Facebook. One is show on profile. Now we want that on our WhatsApp business also, people can directly from our WhatsApp business go to our Instagram or Facebook page, or people who are on Instagram or Facebook can contact us through there and reach us to our WhatsApp business. So vice versa, both the things are available here. So if you see, I pause this show on profile. So now it won't be shown here that my Instagram account is linked to WhatsApp business. I'll update it. And if I click on remove WhatsApp, you'll see this. This will remove my WhatsApp button from my Instagram profile. But we want people from Instagram to directly send us a WhatsApp. So we want this button. So you can use this feature for both the things. And to add, you'll get this option directly to simply add and just log into your Instagram and same just log into your Facebook and you can simply set it.